Anyone want to guess what this sound is? As soon as it starts again. There it is. Now, I will say this much. It does not seem to be any sort of RF device causing this. I mean, it's up and down the entire AM band. I believe it's something electromechanical. Possibly something out of the industrial park 2 blocks to the north of me. Every so often, it does this thing where it will... It sounds like it's whatever it is speeding up, and then it'll stay high for a bit, and then come back low again, and go right back to high, and sweep down low again. Like it jumps to high, and then slowly comes back down to a low speed. And it sounds that way in tone. I have no idea what it could be. But this is the second night, not in a row, but the second night that I have happened to hear this. And it would be nice to know if I can do anything to possibly filter it out. If I can figure out what it is to filter out. I may not be able to, for all I know. Here we go. Here's the speeding up. It'll go higher than that, maybe. It did earlier. But this is... I didn't hear it do this process the last time I heard this. Today is the only time I've heard it shift up and down. But you can tell it sounds like it's a motor of some kind. Here we go. And you can tell when it's shifting down, it sounds like a motor in stages. It sounds like it's shifting gears. Strangest interference I've ever heard. I mean, look at how it moves the whole band. It's just one of the most bizarre things. I don't know, I'm going to cut this recording off at about 5 minutes. You've heard everything that I know it to do. For all I know, it could do something else later, but... if you can identify this sound, please let me know. I would appreciate it. And there it goes.